Wow, I bid it on the wrong freaking car. I cannot believe I just did this, man. The car that I wanted didn't even sell. It was this one. That one sells next week, so I bought this. So, dang. This sucks, man. I just tried to crank it. Oh my God. Are you serious? Oh my God. What did I just buy? Man. Not paying attention, guys. Not paying a freaking attention. This really sucks, man. Dang. I thought I bought the other one, but the other one runs Monday. So let me go ahead and take this and see how it drives. Man, we done bought this car by a mistake, man. This is horrible. 214,000 miles on it. I did not mean to buy this at all. Dang, this sucks. Hopefully everything's good. Hopefully it doesn't overheat or anything. That's like my main concern. This car is gonna have to go pretty fast, man. This sucks, man. But I'll let you guys know when I get out the gate, man. But this really does suck. I did not mean to buy this car. Next week we're gonna come back and get that other Mercury, but man, this is mind blowing. I did not mean to make this deal right here. I did not mean to buy this, man. This really sucks. I gotta start paying more attention. So guys, learn from my mistakes, man. I really messed up here, but hopefully we can make some money off of it and at least get our money back. So all right, guys, right off the bat, the heat is working. Damn, guys, I did not mean to buy this car. Let's go ahead and pull out here. Damn, I screwed up badly. This ship's good though so far. We may actually be able to make some money. I gotta see if it has emissions and everything. Dang, I don't have my tag on again. So we gotta go to the front and put our tag on, man. I'm just hoping this guy doesn't overheat or anything, man, so I can get my money back out of it. Let's go ahead and go right now. Damn, I did not mean to buy this car. This is but let's just see what we got, man. It may be a good deal, or maybe it'll make some money, you know? So let's see. Seem to shift all right. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one home and get the stuff out the Malibu and take it home, man. That temperature hand still hasn't did anything just yet. Can't go yet. But yeah, guys, I'll let you guys see the whole car because I really even got to look at the whole car. Man, I did not mean to buy this car, man. But you guys seen it, you got to start paying more attention, man. I didn't even notice that the Mercury I was looking at didn't have the, you know, sticker on it. I wish they would just like not put those cars next to, you know, but man, and they both white too. That's what confused me, man. But the other one's the newer body style. Guys, I screwed up so bad, man. But let's see what we got, man. We're gonna take it home. We're about like 30 to 40 minutes away from home, so we're pulling up to the Malibu right now. We're gonna go ahead and make sure oil and everything is in this guy and get on the road and see what we got. All right, so let's take a look at this thing. We're gonna leave the Malibu here. We're gonna go ahead and ride this right now, man. Got our tag on it. Damn, so let's see what we riding like, man. I can't believe I screwed up like this, but hopefully it's not that bad, man. I do notice that temperature hand is not working. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to go to engine coolant temperature 89, and we're gonna have to make sure that bad boy doesn't go up. So let's go ahead and get up out of here, guys. Let's see what we got, man. See if we got a good deal. You guys seen it here first, man. I'm gonna let you guys know the mistakes and everything, man. Take y'all on my journey, man. This is it's shifting good though. 1999, we should pass emissions, so let's get on the road. All right, guys, and we're on the road, man, and honestly, so far so good, man. Maybe I just I just didn't mean to buy this, guys, but so far so good. Everything is shifting good, you know what I'm saying? It don't have emissions, but as you can see, it will pass emissions right now. I know you see the 2 other monitors aren't ready, the 2X's, but for 99s, for 2000 and lower, you can have 2 monitors not ready and it'll still pass emissions. So I can still get emissions right now, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. But I just didn't mean to buy this, guys, but this may have been a blessing in disguise, you know? So, you know, so far everything is shifting good and heat working. As you can see, the temperature gauge don't work. What's that? Oh snap, we got a low coolant light. Oh snap. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure, but we checked our coolant as a matter of fact, but we're just gonna go ahead and look at this right here. Everything's good to go. It says 89, so we're not overheating or nothing, and it's not low on coolant. So, but so far so good. Don't feel that bad after all. As you can see, we are rolling. So I'm about to go ahead and get emissions for this thing. I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, check it out, YouTube, man. We cleaned it up. So this is how it's looking now. Looking decent. Looking decent, man. $900, $1,000. Somebody can have it. So the mistake car wasn't that bad though, guys. I mean, at least it's not overheating or nothing. I've had worse happen. Just gotta pay more attention, man. Gotta pay way more attention. So show y'all what the inside look like. It's gonna be a little short video, man, but show y'all what the inside look like, man. I vacuumed it. But yeah, guys, so that's what we got, man. 1999 Mercury Sable. The AC doesn't work, but the heat works and everything. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think, man. I know you guys probably gonna light me up in the comments, but let me know, guys, what you guys think about the price I paid for it, $530. Next week I'm gonna go back and get that other one, man, but we stuck with this one for right now. And man, still got the Maxima. So, and people really haven't, well, people been trying to give me 15 for the Maxima, guys. So, you know, been trying to get about 19, 2000, maybe 18 just to let it go. As you guys know, I paid $14.25. If you ain't watched that video, make sure you watch it. But it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. So if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, man. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Let me know what you guys think about this guy right here. Truly messed up today, but it's all good, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. All right, guys, and we did just sell the Mercury, man. If you can look out there, all you see is the Maxima, man. For the Sable, man, we only got $850, man, on the accident car. You know what I mean? I had $530 in it. Got a $17 emission. So as you guys know, I did not mean to buy that car, but it turned out good. Made quick $300, man. If you haven't already, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos, man. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.